What's happening? Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and today I'm gonna tell you something. I went on eBay. I was looking for some side splitters because I've seen all the modifications you can do to the 99 to 04 Mustang, and I came across some universal side splitters. Now these side splitters I had to modify just a wee bit, but I think they look freaking amazing. So go ahead and take a look here. I'll put in a short clip of the install right.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now.
We're back. So that was a short clip of the install. Right here is what they look like. I hope you think it looks as good as I do. Let's check that out from another angle.
That's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy.
Yeah, they look good. They look real good.
I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
So, I hope you enjoyed. I got them on eBay. I'll try to find the link and put it in the description below. I'm filming this on my phone because I really didn't feel like setting up a camera because it was such a short video. But yeah, I mean, look at this, check it out. They do look amazing. I'll say that. I just washed my car. That way it was ready for this video. Still waiting on parts update. The parts I was getting, the powder coat was messed up, so they had to send the shipment back, and now I'm waiting on the parts to get re-powder coated or whatever. And I got some other parts coming. Those is just like, you know, all my forged internals. Not installing them now, so it's irrelevant. But yeah, I mean, the car looks clean. Dang. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to do this modification, it cost me about 60 bucks. They're universal. Right here, I cut them. As you can see, the gap is a little short. I did have it run into here, but I kept cutting away until I kind of messed it up. But I actually do like that there's a little bit of a gap there. In person, it looks amazing. I'll go ahead and show you the parts that I took off, or I cut off. They were 78 inches. You can buy these in 78 or 85 inches. And I measured it, I lopped it off straight. I mounted them to the car, as you've seen earlier. And then I went in with a pair of metal scissors, like scissors meant for metal. And I cut the line. I kind of messed it up, and I cut, and then, but I think it looks good the way it is. And they're for 60 bucks. If I want them to be up to that last piece of that side skirt or rocker panel, 60 bucks. I get another pair and I do it over, and I learn from a mistake. Right here is the piece that I lopped off. You can see I just chopped that off like so. That's about, I don't know, 10 inches, something like that I cut off. I mean, I forgot the exact measurement. They're 78.5 inches, and that's anywhere from 7 to 10 inches, something like that. Hope you enjoyed. It's been Life in a Mustang. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for me. Peace.
God's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive.